I'm going to show you how to set up and prepare the Deal Builder feature in MotorDesk. First, we need to go to the website menu and down to Settings. This Deal Builder tab will only be shown if the Deal Builder and online checkout have been enabled. You can enable the Deal Builder by going to the Sales menu and then clicking Deal Builder under Tools. You're then able to press Activate Now and you'll have full access to the Deal Builder. Before we start looking into this Deal Builder tab, we recommend you have valuations enabled. We also recommend an adjustment amount. We have a guide that explains what all these mean. We also recommend that you activate the live chat on the website. When you've selected these, make sure to update settings at the bottom. You'll also need to have a payment method connected. For this, just go to Business, Connect Services under this Payments tab. We recommend Take Payments for credit and debit card transactions and Cresco for open banking. With these connected, we can go back to our website settings, and now we'll look at the Deal Builder tab. First, you'll notice this Buy Online option. This must be turned on in order for customers to buy directly from your website. Then this first group of settings allows you to put in some limits, just to make sure that only reasonable purchases are made on your site from legitimate customers. You can enter a number of minutes here. This prevents a new purchase for a vehicle if an existing purchase has been updated within this time frame. And you can adjust the maximum purchase per 24 hours to limit excessive purchases by a single user. The authentication expiry is the number of minutes you'd like to pass before a customer must re-authenticate using a PIN number. And the failed attempts limit lets you choose how many times a user can fail the authentication before the deal is no longer available. Just here you can choose to request marketing consent. This is important for GDPR if you intend to send marketing messages. And then underneath this we have the part exchange options. These settings relate to how customers can part exchange their vehicle when ordering from you online. You can set this to reject certain types of vehicle or vehicle conditions. The expire automatic offer relates to automatically generated offers and limits the number of minutes that they're available. And then the expired Deal Builder offer limits the amount of time offers made manually by staff are available. By default, these are set for several days to give customers a chance to consider and complete the process, but you can reduce them. You then have a choice to reject modified vehicles, taxi or hire vehicles, poor condition vehicles, or vehicles with no service history or an outstanding finance. When any of these are enabled, if a customer's part exchange is subject to these, they will be prompted to get in contact directly, however. Next, you can choose which products are available for customers to add to their order online. This is very similar to how you add products to invoices, and the products in question are in sales products. In order for them to be eligible to appear in the Deal Builder, you must have the checkout type selected. Now if we go back to our Deal Builder settings, you'll see that this appears here because we selected the checkout option. You will have a full list of your products here. I've only created one, so that's why it's just showing this. And you can choose whether it's hidden or which page it appears on. We just have the one page on this deal. You can add multiple pages, but we recommend you don't exceed 2 or 3 at most. Next we have collection and delivery. Here you can set the conditions that can be easily managed by your dealership. This includes things like time allowed for vehicle handovers, how many collections and deliveries can be handled at once, and the maximum number of miles you're willing to travel for a round-trip delivery. You can also choose which set of opening hours each one works from, meaning that collections and deliveries are only booked by a customer at times that you can manage. There's a shortcut here and here to skip to your opening hours section, and you'll see that this is where you can have different hours for delivery opening hours and different hours for collection opening times, as well as another separate one for booking opening hours. You can then also choose which calendar these booking types go into. Next we can scroll down to the finance section, and once this is enabled, customers can buy vehicles from your website on finance. There are some basic settings here such as minimum finance amount, minimum deposit amount, and the maximum deposit amount. Next we have this summary section. If you have these all checked and for example the customer hasn't added a part exchange, yet we've ticked this part exchange option, it'll ask the customer if they want to add a part exchange. If we have it unchecked and they don't have a part exchange, it will just omit it from the summary at the end. The payment options allow you to choose ways in which your customers can pay, such as deposit and installment amounts. Minimum reserve deposit sets the payment that must be made to complete a negative value sale, for example if a part exchange is valued higher than the vehicle being purchased. You can also choose to allow part payments with options for minimum part payment amount and maximum number of part payments. The maximum amount helps you to limit your exposure to card payment transaction fees. It does this by limiting the amount which can be paid by card. This requires that a bank transfer payment method is enabled. Next we have this confetti option, purely aesthetic. It just makes some digital confetti when the deal is complete. And then we have the Auto Trader Deal Builder option. If enabled, when a new deal arrives from Auto Trader, an email will be sent to the customer automatically, giving them instructions to complete the deal through the online checkout or to get in touch to complete the deal offline. To connect to Auto Trader's Deal Builder, please contact your Auto Trader account manager to request Deal Builder API access. Once set up, please contact MotorDesk support to complete the setup. Once set up, your Auto Trader Deal Builder deals will then appear within your MotorDesk Deal Builder, allowing you to manage all your deals within MotorDesk while also complementing Auto Trader's Reserve Online process to enable customers to complete the full vehicle purchase via your website. Once you're happy with everything, you can just press Update Settings.